Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week so far. Hope you had a great week. Some of you are almost half into the weekends already. But no, wanted to do an update in this video on Shiba Inu at a pretty crucial level right now, and just wanted to keep you updated on this. I mean, I try to cover Shiba like once a week at least. I know quite a lot of you are interested in that. So here we go. So last time we covered it was, I think, either Tuesday or Wednesday. When we had all of that bearish pressure, right? And Shiba held up relatively well, and what we saw as well, and that's why we're looking at the daily time frame right now, is that we respected the trend during the entire time that we had that bearish pressure. So what we said in the video is that, all right, well, that's a good sign, but now we do need to get some sort of a break above this level right here. You can very clearly see that there's a major key level here between 2800 and 2750, also psychological support level, by the way. So we needed to break above that, and we did. All right, we were able to break above that, but right now you can see that after breaking above that, there's a bit of bearish pressure coming in, and that's why I'm telling you this is a critical moment, all right? Because if we actually want to stay relatively bullish here and stay in this area right here between 3250 and 2750, we need to hold this level, the level we hit earlier this morning, and at the moment it looks like the market is going to test that level quite a bit more. So that's why I wanted to make the video, because obviously, I mean, if you take a look at the daily time frame, the only way we can actually continue talking and just in general continue having hopes of some sort of a bullish continuation is if we're in this area between 2750 and 3250, because the main level we need to break above is 3250. And if we're unable to hold 2750 right here, and to be fair, we do have some support lower as well, right? So if the price drops down below 2750 here, it's not necessarily the end of the world, and it's not necessarily a huge problem, as long as we're able to actually spike down and then recover it, right? So right now, whether we hold it like this and we just find support and we consolidate here and we get up to 3250, that's fine. But alternatively, what's also possible is that we drop down to this level right here at 2650, where you also still have a lot of support confluences, and that from there we break back above 2750. That might even be more bullish, because then you get some sort of a bear trap down there. So ultimately, this is what we want to see. We need to protect that level at 2750 to stay in this area right here, which we were practically also in last week, right? This area between 2800, 2750 and 3200. So the big question is will we be able to do that? And at this point of time, my answer would be yes. All right. It is very dependent on what Bitcoin does, though, because if you look at Shiba Inu on its own right now, what you'll see is that we don't really have volume. The volume is dropping down. We don't really have momentum. So what that means is that Shiba is very dependent on Bitcoin. Now, I think Bitcoin is going to be able to hold this level, and that's why I also think that Shiba Inu is going to hold this level, but that does mean that you need to keep an eye on Bitcoin, all right? And I would 100% recommend you to do so. We have a lot of strong support here, and technically this seems most likely as well, so it's not only based on Bitcoin, it's also specifically for Shiba, it structurally looks most likely, but it has to be confirmed with Bitcoin support as well. Unless we gain some sort of momentum for meme coins specifically, that could be enough as well, but at the moment that's not present, and therefore Bitcoin is important. But that's what I think you need to know. That's what I expect. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.